Hey, this is Charles Draven. I'm going to cover this special Avalanche list building review. This is a course that was created by Anthony Mancuso and Paul Nicholls. And so they're talking about emergency cash methods, 5 methods, and they say that it's banked them $187 within 24 hours or less. I'll tell you right now that I am not an affiliate of this. Just want to be upfront with this, but I am an affiliate of many programs, whether those are like softwares or courses. I promote a lot of things in the make money online space. So I'm going to go over this, and it talks about their high ticket method, and it's only $4.95. And what I'm going to do in this video is that I'm going to cover the pros and cons of this, and I'll also let you know about my personal insights being in this business realm, make money online since the 1990s. I have been building websites for a very long time, have been an affiliate marketer since the late 90s. So hopefully you'll find some value in these insights that I provide you. I've seen so many products over the last several decades, and so hopefully this can give you a better idea if this is a good choice for you or not. So they're focusing on people that are trying to look for money fast, and they say if you're short on rent, need to make a car payment, saving up for a trip, need to pay down some debt, unplanned car expenses, medical bills, extra spending, and need some extra money for savings. So it is something that they're trying to find people that want to make fast cash, and they're showing their results. So I'm going to show you some of my notes here. So by the way, if you haven't figured it out, I'm actually doing this on my phone while waiting for my wife in an appointment. So let's just go over this. This is Avalanche list building. I got some notes here, and it says, the program is designed to help users quickly generate income through online marketing strategies. They are providing a step-by-step system. It provides you a detailed step-by-step system that is easy to follow, even for beginners. The core strategy here is high-ticket list building. They're trying to drive traffic to an offer, and you can make money through list building. If you're not sure what list building is, it's a way to generate leads, getting contacts into your database. It could be a CRM, like a client relationship management system. It could be an email marketing platform, and then you nurture the relationship or build sales through email marketing, where you send emails to targeted people, targeted audience that are interested in something that you have to offer. So they're going to offer you some traffic generation methods, and those are both free and paid. There are some monetization strategies where earlier on they're talking about high ticket. So right now they're talking about affiliate marketing, product launches, and more. And then they're going to talk about how you can effectively use email marketing to make money online to maximize engagement and conversions. And the whole thing with conversions, there are multiple conversions within this whole process of email marketing, and I'll talk about that soon. You got templates, pre-made templates, scripts, and other resources to streamline the process, case studies and proof. They have, I'm sure, a lot of their proof, and that could be even social proof, their proof of their success to demonstrate that it does work. A support community offers the ability to provide assistance and scalability. So I'll just talk about this, that traffic generations, there are many that are free and paid. I've used just about all of them. And what I can say, if you're trying to make fast cash to pay off your bills, like let's say in the coming days, most people that get started with list building, it's not like working in a job. It's not like you're going to be making money. You work X amount of hours today and you're going to get X amount of money back. It's building a business. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand that building a business is not trading time for money. It is something that is built over time, and it is built based on your reputation, the reputation that you build. It requires you to build up the know, like, and trust factor, to build up your personal brand. And some people might argue against that. When I first got started online, people were talking about direct response marketing. I am a student of direct response marketing. I have learned from whether it's Dan Kennedy. I've learned from people like Marlon Sanders, a lot of people over time, even Russell Brunson, a lot of the newer kind of direct marketers online. And I have learned quite a bit, and I can say that you can get people to buy, but it's not going to be guaranteed. And it's going to be something where they say that you could convert 1% of your audience into buyers. And if you're thinking about high ticket programs, like let's say programs where you can sell it for hundreds or over 1,000, it is possible to get a customer. I have done it myself, and I'm sure the creators of this program, they know how to do it. They have been in marketing for quite a while. They understand copywriting, they understand advertising. But for people that are just getting started online, it is a way to actually build a business. You can make money doing this. Some people say that maybe the full story isn't here. I'll say that the truth of this, especially for a product that is $4.95, I'm sure they will provide you some good information. I'm sure that the steps that they are providing you are working for them. If they were to actually execute the steps that they have showed in this course, this is just my assumption based off of many courses I've seen, I'm sure that they can make great money. But for the people that are just getting started out, you have to be able, especially if you're using free traffic, if you're just getting started, don't expect to spend $4.95 and be able to generate thousands in the next several hours. And I could say that, is it possible to do it in the next couple of weeks, whether it's 1 week to 4 weeks? There is potential with high ticket, I can say. There are offers where I put them out into the marketplace and complete strangers were able to purchase what I had to offer. And that requires traffic. That requires a lot of traffic. And traffic, if you want that surge, it can cost quite a bit of money. And I'm talking about spending anywhere from, like, let's say $200 to over $1,000 to acquire a customer that's paying $1,000, something like that. So if you heard just what I said, it could be close to break even. Maybe not. There are cases where I was able to make profit early on, but that it's not something that I can easily replicate with, like, let's say 1,000 clicks. And 1,000 clicks, it really depends on the quality of those traffic sources. I also want to talk about organic traffic, and then just to give you some understanding with organic traffic. What that means is getting people to your website, and in this case, it could be getting people to your page where you're capturing leads, where you're exchanging some value for somebody to enter in, like, let's say an email address, so you can continuously follow up with them in the future until they don't want to receive your messages. But you can follow up with these people, people that are interested in what you have to offer. Typically, you're going to give something called a lead magnet out. A lot of people will give, like, let's say a checklist or a free report, a free ebook, a free video to get people to want to put in their email address. So that's, some people call that an ethical bribe. It's a lead magnet. That's what it is. So people will opt in, and then you can send emails over time. And I'm sure this course will go over those ideas in details. And what I can see here is that for people that are getting started, to me, like, this information, I think for $4.95, knowing these guys, they've been around for a long time, I'm sure they will provide you a lot of value for $4.95. I am sure that this information, because their reputation's on the line and they've been around for a while. So I would say that the information is most likely going to be good. However, to expect you to make money as a total beginner coming into this, I can say use the information, use it for your power, use it to build your business, but I would not say that it's going to be fast cash. Overnight riches, by the way, it's kind of like a shiny object, and building a business, it takes time. But I can say that if you have the proper pieces in place, if you do have the time, and if you do know how to actually build up your personal brand. And this whole thing about building up a personal brand, it is something that some marketers are against. But for me, especially in the business of providing courses and providing knowledge to help people make money, it is extremely crucial that people know about you and trust you and like you, to actually pull out their credit card and feel like you are going to transform their lives. So information, I'm sure it's going to be good, but I would say the whole idea of fast cash, overnight riches, things like that, it really gives me like a red flag. So I just say be prepared that if you don't make money, that it is something that you just have to build up over time. Build up your reputation, market yourself, build up your brand over time. And let's see, and it's scalable. Scalable, has a support community. What I will say is that for a product that is $4.95, expect upsells, expect them to provide some other products or services that can even cost dozens of dollars or even over $100. And that is just the process of marketing. And I don't say anything about that. I think that's just a process of marketing. Even a lot of local businesses do that. They will try to provide you with additional options to increase their sales, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's just part of doing business. And I think it's just a matter of setting your expectations, making sure that you are aware of all these things that I've mentioned. So I also want to give you a free gift. I know for people who are looking at this, especially possibly investing this, I want to give you an option, because you could choose to buy this course. You could learn some stuff about list building, but you could also learn about getting traffic, and you could also learn from me about list building just by connecting with me. And the way that you can connect with me is to actually get a free gift from me. You get a free gift from me, and you'll be able to get training directly from me. And my name is Charles Draven. I do have a website. Just go to infospike.com. And I do offer a free course on that site. So go to infospike.com, check out my free course. It is my free gift to you. Thanks for watching to the end of this video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below this video, and I'll be able to help you out along the way. Thanks for watching.